Motorola Edge 20 Pro India dispatch is good to go for now. The premium cell phone will dispatch with an amazing arrangement of determinations. It will be accessible for buy during the Flipkart Big Billion Days deal. Really look at anticipated cost and different subtleties. Motorola Edge 20 Pro is good to go to dispatch in India today at 12 p.m. East. The cell phone was formally declared in July this year all around the world. This is the third model dispatching under the Motorola Edge 20 series in India. Already, the organization declared the Motorola Edge 20 and the Motorola Edge 20 Lite in the country. Additionally read, budget Redmi telephones with up to 6000 mAh battery, MediaTek SoC on markdown during Flipkart Big Billion Days deal. The Motorola Edge 20 Pro is a top-end model in the series for certain amazing elements including a 144 Hz revive rate, 10-cycle AMOLED show, Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC, 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, a 108-megapixel triple-back camera framework, and then some. Likewise read, Motorola Moto Tab G20 dispatches in India with close stock Android 11. Motorola Edge 20 Pro deal, cost in India. Once the cell phone dispatches in India today, it will be accessible for buy on Flipkart. The deal date hasn't been declared, however the Microsoft recommends that the Motorola Edge 20 Pro will be accessible for buy during the Flipkart Big Billion Days deal. Additionally read, Poco C31 dispatch occasionally Vestream at 12 p.m., expected specs, cost in India, and the sky is the limit from there. The India cost of the Motorola Edge 20 Pro has not been uncovered at this point, yet it is probably going to be at standard with the worldwide evaluating. Internationally, the cell phone includes some major disadvantages of €699.99 for the 12GB RAM plus 256GB capacity variation. Almost certainly, just the 8GB RAM plus 128GB capacity model will show up in India. Motorola Edge 20 Pro determinations. As far as particulars, the Motorola Edge 20 Pro accompanies an incredible arrangement of details. The cell phone incorporates a 144 Hz revive rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC matched with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 256GB of UFS 3.1 locally available capacity. The Motorola Edge 20 Pro backings 11, 5G groups. On the camera front, the cell phone comes loaded with a triple-back camera arrangement with a 108-megapixel essential sensor with 50x super zoom, a 8-megapixel zooming focal point, and a 16-megapixel super wide plus full-scale focal point. On the front, the Motorola Edge 20 Pro incorporates a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. A portion of different specs incorporate a 4500 mAh battery, 30W turbo power quick charging support, Android 11 out of the crate, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. The cell phone comes in two shading alternatives, iridescent cloud and midnight black tone.